Hello everyone, what's up, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to part 2 of the moving vlog. So right now we are in our new apartment. Yesterday evening we moved in and our stuff is here. I was planning on giving you guys an empty apartment tour and showing you us moving everything in, but unfortunately the moving process was not only very stressful, but it happened very quickly, so I did not get a chance to take much footage, but I did take a couple of clips that I will enter here so you guys can kind of see how yesterday went. Are you ready to go into the apartment? Are you excited? She's chilling. She's straight vibing.
I love this. This looks like a resort.
Looks like a hotel. It's beautiful. Today is a new day and we are unpacking, and I will be giving you guys a furnished apartment tour, but keep in mind this is not what the apartment will look like forever, because obviously as time goes along we will be adding new things, new decor, and all of that. So let me kind of show you guys where we are right now. I have a ton of stuff to unpack. So we have all of this right here, all of this right here. Obviously I had to go through trash bags to find some clothes this morning, not a good time. Over here we have some more stuff, and then also Publix, they sent over these little herb garden kit things, which I'm really excited for. Actually, I love herbs. So there's that. I have my Nespresso obviously because coffee is essential. That was the first thing that came out. And then all of this, some shoes, like, girl, we have a lot to do. So we're gonna start some time lapses. We're gonna start putting stuff away. It's gonna be a good time. Grab yourself a coffee or a cup of tea or a glass of wine, chill out, and let's just do this.
Hit your line about a week ago, no response though. In the Maybach, love convo. Your best friend, my best friend, look good on the low though. You want me, I want you. Old friends gotta go though. They can't compare. I swear, love in the air. Now where you wanna go? It's cold. I saw me froze. You know. You with me, can't front.
Okay, so since that part of the kitchen is done, next up we are going to do the kitchen island. It is quite a mess. We are going to organize it, decorate it, make it look nice and cute. Also, I don't have bar stools yet, but we are going to be getting some very soon because the ones in my old apartment are a bit too tall for this counter size. So yeah, let's go ahead and freaking do this thing.
I got no guard. All of the scars in my heart, they done bashed up. Ex wanna come through with mess, got a mash up. But it's alright, we meet up at night. Turn up the tunes and cut off the lights. Girls just smile, or maybe your eyes. You taking my heart, gotta do this shit right.
Okay guys, I am actually having such a hard time deciding what I want to do for this centerpiece of the island here. So either I could do this with this plant. Obviously I'm keeping this because it just looks really good right there. I'm just like, that's it. So I could do this plant, or I could do this, which honestly I'm kind of obsessed with. I don't know which one to do. Please, please, please let me know down in the comments which you prefer. Olive branches or green plant with white pot. Because I kind of like the idea of these olive branches like kind of going through the lantern. I don't know. Like, let me know what you guys prefer. I'm like literally torn right in the middle. Like, I like how that one, the white complements the countertop, but I like how this one just like kind of blends together with the lantern. Like, I don't know. I think I'm gonna keep it like this for now, but let me know what you guys think down below because I am literally like so freaking confused. Okay, but actually something that I should be doing right now is putting away clothes, which I absolutely hate doing. It is like the worst part, but that is something we need to do. So we're gonna do a quick little time lapse. Everything will be done, and then I'll just have some little things to put away, and girl, you guys will get a full house tour. Yay.
Pulling up and you know I'm swerving. Bad bitch, but you know I'm curving. Run it up like a nigga earning. Gotta check, now a nigga smurfing. Pull up in a rose, now she wanna roll. Everybody talking, but they coming to the shows. Pull up in a rose, now she wanna roll. Everybody talking, but they coming to the shows. Pulling up and you know I'm swerving. Bad bitch, but you know I'm curving. Run it up like a nigga earning. Gotta check, now a nigga smurfing. Pull up in a rose, now she wanna roll. Everybody talking, but they coming to the show. Pull up in a rose, now she wanna roll. Everybody talking, but they coming to the show. I don't wanna talk, gotta listen. Diamonds on me drip, I'm a wishing well. Don't know what you seen in me, girl. You was my all, you believed in me, girl. First day we spent was already.
Alrighty guys, so I am finished decorating and organizing the apartment. So now it is time to give you guys the official Morgan Presley apartment tour. Alright guys, so to kick off the apartment tour, we are going to start over here in the entryway to the house, so that is the front door. I did want to show you guys kind of how our lock system works, and it's actually really freaking cool. So on the other side of this, I will insert a clip now so you guys can see, but it is a touch screen lock system. So you touch it with 3 fingers, then type in your passcode, and it unlocks for you. Obviously you do have the option of a key, but I just think it's a pretty cool little feature. You can also unlock it from your phone and also lock it from your phone as well. So I love that little techie feature. It's kind of cool, you know what I mean? So we have that, and then right here beside the door we have a coat closet. Obviously I'm in Florida, I don't need coats that bad. I only have a couple of them, so I'm just gonna use this as storage, probably for like Christmas stuff. So yeah, that will come in handy. I can use as much storage as I can get. So right beside that we have the laundry area. So we have the washer and dryer, and they're pretty cool washer and dryers. They have like a lot of settings, like mixed loads, cottons, delicate, speed dry, de-wrinkle. It's really cool and very fast as well. Like it dried my entire sheets last night, not sheets, my whole bedding last night in like 20 minutes. Super freaking fast. And I mean, just in general, having laundry in your unit is a great thing to have. So there's that. And then coming out of the hallway, we are going straight into the kitchen. So I love how this came out. Like the decor, like I am so obsessed with it. I love like those rustic pieces on modern like fixtures and stuff. It looks so freaking good. So yeah, we have this huge freaking island, and it just, oh my god, I'm so obsessed with it. It's literally humongous. Obviously, like I said earlier, we do not have any bar stools right now, but I think like a little wicker bar stool set would be so freaking cute in here. So let's kind of go through everything. So first off, my placemats are from IKEA. Super affordable and definitely very cute. On top of that, I have 2 bowls, one over here, one over there, and these are from Hobby Lobby. I actually got them recently. They also have plates, and I'm actually looking to go back and get a few more. So those are super cute. I want to get like a little napkin set with silverware too and put it beside it. Oh, it's so cute. Right here, where is this from? This is from Home Goods. It was actually broken and I got it on sale. Like this whole side does not have the glass, but I kind of like it. And it was only like $10. So, I mean, a steal. Inside I have some Hobby Lobby candles. Again, this is like a Home Goods vase. It's actually not glass, it's like plastic. And then some olive branches from Hobby Lobby as well. I love the vibe. I actually really love this combo. I'm like obsessed. So there's that. We also have a very large candle from Target that I recently got. Haven't even burned it yet, but it smells so freaking good. Oh, my finger just went in it. So this is the Citrus Grove candle. It's $25.99 from the Magnolia collection at Target, and it smells, guys, so freaking good. It smells like Anthropology. I am literally obsessed with it. Also, we have this huge freaking sink. I am like, I can't even explain how excited I am for this, but I am so freaking excited. Coming over here, we have coffee and sugar. I usually keep my Nespresso pods in here, or like just coffee grounds if I want to make espresso. So I have that there. Obviously my Nespresso machine, so freaking good. I'm obsessed with this. I use it every single day, multiple times a day. So an espresso, and then I have some oven mitts. Like this vibe, like the cream in the blue stripes with like this, I don't know why, but it goes so well. So like, I just leave them out on the counter. So super cute. We also have my little rug right here. This was from Home Goods years ago, but I mean, I like it, so it's still here. Again, modern fixtures that I love. Up here, we have some alcohol, typical, right? I also didn't show you guys over here. In here we have plates and bowls. In here I just have spices. Yeah, over here my little setup. This is a thrifted book. It's Masterpieces of French Cuisine. Oh my god, I'm not even on it. But it's a book, Masterpieces of French Cuisine. Never read it, never went through it, but I just thought it was cute. I have a cutting board, a little Yankee candle, and some utensils. Up here we have mugs and glassware. I need more mugs. That is my conclusion. Nothing is up there yet. I haven't put anything there. Okay, so coming from here, I need to wash my floor, but I don't have my Swiffer cleaner with me, so just please ignore how dirty the floor looks. Okay, so we're gonna start right here. So this is a chair that my parents had actually, and they gave it to me, and they gave it to me with this cover underneath. It's like this really ugly green color, which I kind of like, honestly. But I put the cover on it because it ties in with like the cream accents that I have, and I just threw on these two pillows that I actually got from Target a few days ago. I just kind of love this warm tone one because it ties in with like all of the warm accents, like the placemats and the hat. I just think it works. So yeah, I have two pillows on there. Love the vibe. And if you guys are wondering, I cannot put these mirrors or these windows up by myself. There's two of them, but I will have my boyfriend help me whenever he gets home, and he will help me put them up there on the wall, and then I will be putting the olive branches on top of it. So hopefully you can kind of picture what that will look like. But coming over here, showing you guys the couch. This is the same couch that we had in our last apartment. Same pretty much everything on it. We have 4 IKEA pillows. Actually, that was a lie. 4 Home Goods pillows. Home Goods blankets. I have my diffuser, some vintage books, my plants, little coaster. And then coming over here, we have a ladder. This is actually a vintage ladder as well. And then a little woven bag to kind of tie in again with those like warm tone accents. I have a little A for Abreu, that's my boyfriend's last name. Down here, I just pretty much threw some stuff together. I'm no decor expert. Pampas grass, again, warm accents. That's kind of the whole vibe. Everything is very cool tone and modern, so I try to have as many like warm accents as possible so it all kind of ties together. So that's that, and that's pretty much like the main living area. Also, oh, I forgot to show you guys the view. Oh my god, you guys are gonna be obsessed. So this balcony is freaking huge, first off. So we have this area here. I'll show it to you guys from over here. Look how freaking big this is. We can put a whole freaking bed out here. Like a whole bistro set, a bed. I can take naps, I can eat. I can live out here basically. But yeah, this is the view. Honestly, so beautiful. I'm obsessed with it. Get back inside. We will go to the master bedroom, which I'm going to warn you right now. I washed my bedding yesterday and it's too big to fit in the dryer, and I fried it and now it looks awful. So there's that. I need to get new bedding. Just keep that in mind. So I will go over here by the window so you guys can see better. So I fried this. So it's a little brown because I literally burnt it. So just please ignore this. It's the same set as our old bedroom, same decor. I just have a little let's get cozy sign. I have a vase over there, a PS I love you sign. I have some vintage gloves. I don't know where half of my things are right now. I think he still has stuff in his car, but this is what I have in here right now. Nothing fancy. So I love you. Mommy loves you. Mommy loves you. Mommy loves you. Okay, so this is my favorite room of the entire house. I cannot even get over it. Like, first off, let's look at how good this lighting is right now. Are you joking me? I'm gonna film like all my YouTube videos in here. Literally, no joke. So, first thing, let's talk about this. So, these are actually trays from the TV stand that I actually took out and used them as like trays for my things. So I have perfumes here, I have some accessories, that's the word. Sometimes I literally have brain farts. I have accessories, perfumes, lotion, that kind of thing. So that is that. We do have square double sinks in here. Also, do you guys see the sparkle on this? Oh, so good, so good. Also, let's turn around. Do you guys see how amazing this shower is right now? Are you joking me? And my boyfriend doesn't even use it. He doesn't like using the same shower as me, so this is all mine. All mine, guys. I also have these two little mats. I'm probably going to be changing them out, but for now, it's all right. It's all good. It matches. I don't really care. I just want something a bit more like modern and sleek in here, but it works. I don't care. So going into here, you guys saw me hang up most of this. I did some off camera as well, but for the most part, everything is here. I need to get some more hangers, but there's just some random stuff in there as well. But this is pretty much it for the closet. Okay, so she's drinking. Okay, so coming through here, turn. This is my boyfriend's bathroom. Cat litter boxes are in here. Just please don't judge, okay? Also has great lighting in here. It's beautiful. I don't really have a whole lot of decor for his bathroom, but I will work on that. He does have a beautiful shower as well, but he does this every time. But yeah, he has like the bathtub and everything, which he prefers. So this is his bathroom. And then right here we have a linen closet. This just has extra towels, not the cute ones though, ew. Games, headrest things when you're on a plane, pillows, Christmas stuff, things like that. And then this will be his office. There's no light in here, so I'm sorry if it's hard to tell, but this is going to be his office. He still needs to build his desk. We have some Christmas pillows again in here. This door also goes to his bathroom. And then in here is just his closet and all of the boxes. He also has a very large closet as well, which is nice because, again, storage in the city is not easy to find. So that is pretty much everything, guys. That is pretty much our entire apartment. I'm sorry that I'm really not the best at giving apartment tours, but like, so that is the new apartment. I love it so much, and I'm so thankful that we were able to get this apartment. It's beautiful. It's making my heart freaking happy, and I can't wait for the summertime to go up on the pool and lay in the sun, fry my skin, age a little. It's fine, it's fine. But yeah, this is the new crib for the next year or 2 years or 3 years. And I love it. So thank you guys for tuning in to the last moving vlog. Again, I will be updating you guys as time goes, if we get new stuff, all of that. Obviously, we have to decorate this beautiful freaking patio, so watch my vlogs to see how that goes. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. I love you so much. I really hope that you enjoyed these moving vlogs. I'm sorry that they were really fast-paced, but the move was very fast-paced. So there's that, but I will see you guys in the next video. I love you so much. Stay safe, wash your hands. Love you.